All right, here's a brief video on how to do polar coordinates on your graphing calculator. If you have a TI calculator, it's going to be just following these menu keys. Now, normally on y equals, I'll just get rid of that. It's just you hit the y equals button and it gives you these function options, and you would input the functions. But there is no y coordinate in polar, so we have to change our mode. So if we go to our mode button right here, it gives us all these menu options. And just gonna bring it up closer. If you see this fifth row down, it's function, parametric, which we talked about recently, and polar. So if you want it to be polar, you select this polar. And now if we go back to that y equals, oh look, it's no longer y equals, it's r equals. And normally when it's y equals, if you hit your variable key, the x, t, theta, n, it gives you x automatically. But when you hit it here, it automatically defaults to theta. So if we just said r equals 2 theta, and then go to our graph, it gives us that. Now here's the problem. I'm still in degree mode. So it's reading this all as 360. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my mode to radian. Oh, and look at that. So we have this nice spiral shape. And we can do trig functions in here. You could say like 3 cosine of 2 theta. And we'll give us that figure. And you guys will talk about the functions later. But for right now, the relations later, that's not a function, doesn't pass a vertical line test. But for right now, that's all you need to do. To change into polar mode, you go to mode, make sure polar is selected, make sure it's in radian mode, and then just enter in your relations. All right, have fun.